The 6-in-1 Folding Kids Trike is a versatile tricycle that adapts to 6 different modes, accommodating your child's growing needs from 7 months to 5 years old. With a rotatable seat, this tricycle allows toddlers to either face forward to enjoy the scenery or turn towards parents for interaction, enhancing their overall riding experience. The dual pedal modes offer flexibility, providing an active pedaling mode and a resting pedal mode to suit different stages of your child's development. Designed with convenience in mind, the tricycle can be quickly folded by removing the push bar, making it easy to transport and store, especially during travel. Safety is a top priority with features like a 3-point safety harness, removable foam guardrail, and dual rear-wheel brakes, ensuring a secure ride for your little one. Additional storage options such as a rear storage box and front basket make it easy for parents to carry essentials while on the go.